Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mercedes EQS seat presets with MBUX, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Mercedes EQS seat presets using MBUX, start by ensuring your vehicle is in accessory mode. Activate the MBUX infotainment system by pressing the power button. Once the system is active, locate the home button on the touchscreen. Tap the home button to access the main menu. From the main menu, select Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find User Profile. Select User Profile to open the Profile Management section. Here, you will find an option labeled Backup Settings. Tap on Backup Settings to proceed with the backup process. You may be prompted to log in to your Mercedes Me account if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and sign in to your account. After logging in, you should see the backup options available for your vehicle. Select the option to backup your seat presets. The system will confirm that the backup is in progress. Wait a moment while the MBUX system saves your seat presets. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. To restore your settings at a later time, go back to the same User Profile section. Select Restore Settings whenever you're ready to retrieve your backed up presets. Follow the prompts to restore your seat settings as needed. Your Mercedes EQS seat presets are now safely backed up. You can repeat these steps whenever you want to update your backup. This process ensures your personalized comfort settings are always available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.